going to see about PNG transparent background effect. We can place this image in anywhere, any document, any photos. Let's see how we do the PNG transparent effect in Photoshop. Before that, we will like my videos. Please like, share, subscribe to Encore Photoshop and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications daily. Let's see. First, unlock the background image. And select the eraser tool, magic eraser tool, and erase the background in one click. You can place the image in anywhere now, but you have to save this because all the time you do not first JPG image, it saves the image with the background, it's JPG. PNG, it saves the image without the background as transparent. Let's save image PNG format. It saves the image as transparent image. Save, give second option interlaced, give OK. The image is now saved. First one is JPEG image, second one is PNG image transparent without background. See this, and this is JPEG image. Let's place the image in any document or photos. See this image video. I placed another photo in the Photoshop. I take this image in Photoshop and place this subscribe button without transparent background. Place this image in any document and any photos like this. You can use this subscribe button in any kind of document and photos without editing. So thank you friends, please like, share, subscribe my videos and hit the bell icon to get more notifications. Thank you. Subscribe Encore Photoshop.